What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing another how-to video, obviously, and it's gonna be a tune-up. Sorry, it might be kind of loud. I got my fan right here to cool the motor down because he just pulled up. So as you all know, the tune-up consists of 6 spark plugs, 6 coils, and a lot of people have a lot of trouble getting to the back coils. So what I'm gonna show you guys today is how to get to the back coil the easiest way, the most efficient way, and the fastest way. So after it cools down, I'll get back on the lens and then we'll get rolling. All right, so this is a lot of crap and it takes a lot of time, but I'm gonna kill it fast. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna just leave the front. I don't even care about the front because they're right here, that's so easy. I want to go ahead and get to the back first. So the first thing that we want to do is obviously get this intake out of the way. So let's get to that. Now, a lot of little lines, a lot of these plugs that you got to take off. Majority of everything is 10mm. For this job, you're really only gonna need 10mm, maybe some PB blaster to loosen up some of the bolts and some of the lines, because a lot of this stuff is very old. It hasn't been removed, so it's kind of stuck on there. So you might need some of this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just do that right now because I know a lot of this stuff is gonna break. So to prevent that, so look at that, it's already cracked up. Spray these, and I think that's all I'm gonna spray for now. So you're gonna need a 10, a drill, maybe a ratchet just in case, some pliers, and a 13 and a 14, and the wrenches to go with those. So I guess let's get to it.
Legit beat.
Y'all want to see a screwdriver trick? Because I forgot mine. Watch this. Come on now. I can't do that. Parts. Oh yeah, and for the ones who don't know about me, I particularly like to always use Nissan's OE when it comes to sensors, so I always use Hitachi. Okay, so here's my least favorite part. Everything is off. In the back here, there's a freaking bracket holding it. No space at all, but I can do it. See, some of them just don't want to cooperate. Just gotta break it. Whatever. The other thing that I like to do whenever I do these jobs, if you have to take the intake off, I always just go ahead and change the intake gasket, whether it looks good or not. It's best to change it, you already there. And another thing that I also recommend with any of these that have this little 3.5 crap where you gotta take the intake off. Let me just get you closer. If you come to the back, and there's an issue with any one of these coils back here for customer purposes as well, so just so you can look like a better mechanic, I always let the customer know that it's best while we're already here to just change all 3 of these back ones, because the amount of labor that you're gonna pay. Let's say you change one of these coils, the one that's bad, and they all have the same amount of miles on it, which means that any one of those can go bad at any given time. But let's say you change it for the customer, and then a month later they got the same issue. So they got to come all the way back, and you got to take all this back off again to change another one back there. You put it back, and then a month later the third one go bad. So it's always best to just let them know it's better to change all 3 of them while you're right there. But it's up to you. You know, some mechanics like to make a killing, so they'll just do it that way. But me personally, I'm a good mechanic, so I like to at least let them know what the better option is before I go. So yeah, for all you other mechanics, you know, to look like a better person, just do that. Good always comes back. But my camera's about to die, so this is all self-explanatory. I just want to show you guys how to take the intake off, and I guess I'll just show you guys once I get it back together and start it up. Peace. All right, so a whole valve, 2 valve covers, and a tune-up later, because we had to end up doing the valve covers because we found out while we had a misfire in the back, 2 of the spark plugs were under oil, so we did the valve covers, which is pretty simple. Once you already got all this off, it's pretty cut and dry, so you guys can figure that out. One other life hack that I want to mention to you guys is to use this stuff, dielectric tune-up grease. It's good for your light bulbs, and whenever you do a tune-up, always put them inside the spark plug. I mean, not the spark plug, the plug wire, or the actual coil pack. Put it in the bottom of it so it gives the spark plug a way better connection so it can spark better. But anyways, everything's about together, tightened up, so moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. It might give me a slow start for the first start because I did spray some stuff inside of the cylinders because there was oil in there. Oh yeah, for a lot of you guys that have push start, let me just recommend this to you as well. When you get in the car, it's not good to just step on the brake and press the key. You want to prime it up a little bit first, so AC, and turn it on, let it prime up the gas. Now we got full pressure within the gas, so you know, if it slow starts, you won't be like, oh, my car wouldn't start the first time. So let it prime first, then you want to start it. There's my slow start I was talking about, but it's coming. There we go. Oh yeah, why am I not focusing? There we go. No check engine light. Fired up. Oh yeah, for you guys that think that I'm playing about the whole slow start, let's turn it off. Key on, primed up. Now watch how quick it starts. Boom! Come on, man, don't tell me I ain't no pro. Give it a little slow. All that oil out the tailpipe. I can smell it. Perfect. Matt, when you watch this, make sure you give me a good thumbs up, and you can drop a little comment as well if you feel like I did good and your car's driving good. Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. One more start just to make sure. Key on. Make sure y'all give me a big thumbs up for that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that's going to be the end of that one. Boy.